Today we are going to do a quick driving tour around Bassano, Alberta. We'll talk a little bit about its history and what this little town is all about. If you want to see more on its history and get a close-up view of the town's historical past, we also made a walking tour with inlaid historical photos. The link is in the description below. But for now, let's drive around Bassano to see what happened to this once thriving prairie town. As we get closer to the main commercial area, you will probably think it's a ghost town. The future here is uncertain, but there is hope. Bassano is a small town in Alberta, Canada, located along the Trans-Canada Highway, approximately 140 kilometers southeast of Calgary and 160 kilometers northwest of Medicine Hat. Established in 1909, Bassano is said to be named after the Marquis de Bassano of Italy, a railroad promoter. I'm not sure historically this is correct, but I will provide more information in another video for those who are interested. The town is situated near the Bow River, with the Bassano Dam located about 10 kilometers southwest of Horseshoe Bend. This dam diverts water into Lake Newell, a reservoir, and supports irrigation, recreation, and provides drinking water for the county. The local economy is primarily based on agriculture, with a number of small businesses serving the community. Bassano's strategic location between major cities and its rich heritage make it a unique place to live and visit. A number of businesses have closed in recent times, and the main commercial district does appear mostly abandoned. But there is hope that this prairie town does not turn into a ghost town and disappear altogether. There has been some reconditioning of older buildings, but it has stopped in recent years. The town population sits at just above 1,200 residents and has increased slightly over the years, giving some hope. Housing costs are much cheaper here, with houses going for as low as $90,000, with an average of about $350,000. The closest large town is Brooks, Alberta, which is about an hour away. Bassano does have a post office, a grocery store, hotel, a motel, some restaurants, fuel services, as well as some small businesses such as a thrift store. Bassano also has a healthcare facility and medical clinic. Bassano also has a school serving those from kindergarten to grade 12. It also has services from a volunteer fire department and a detachment of the RCMP to control crime. Bassano is considered a relatively safe community, with crime rates lower than provincial and national averages. Crime tends to be mostly minor thefts and property crime, but all crime in this area is trending lower in recent years. In a recent quality of life survey, residents were still worried about their safety. 67% said they were satisfied with the community's safety, a decrease from 78% in 2013. Most residents felt the economy was the biggest threat to their community, stating that there just wasn't a lot of opportunity for employment in Bassano. And this is very true and concerning. The town does have enough residents currently to survive and an equal amount of services, but it lacks employment opportunities, and this may be its downfall. Historically, it is amazing, and there are beautiful historical buildings here. They're being abandoned. The once busy downtown is all but empty. What do you think of Bassano and its future? We would love to hear from you. Leave a comment below. For now, let's continue our drive, and be sure to check out our walking tour of Bassano as well. Thanks for stopping by, and take care.